Welcome to CompanyIQ, brought to you by MyLogic. Today, we'll be learning how to navigate CompanyIQ's Visual Analytics. Visual Analytics are a new interactive graph feature developed with Microsoft's Power BI. They are available for several of our premium modules, including corporate governance, compensation, risk factors, and proxy proposals. To access the Visual Analytics, you need to enter one of the 4 modules mentioned above. We will use Corporate Governance module as the example for this video. The Visual Analytics feature will be located under the Format section on the search screen. Once you select Visual Analytics, you'll be taken to the Visual Analytics screen, where you'll be able to select the company and its peers that you'd like to analyze. The second step is to select the report that you'd like to view. After you select a specific report, you can click Go. The reports can be viewed by company, by index, by SASB sector, and by exchange. You can change the year and select the analytics sets, in case the report has more than one analytics set. You can also look at the data in the Power BI table format and drill down certain data points. If you'd like to select another company, click the button below. If you'd like to access another report under the Corporate Governance module, you can use the menu on the left to select your next topic. You will also be able to navigate across the modules with our Screen Navigation tabs feature. It's the gray horizontal bar on the top of the page, and the highlighted tab indicates which module you are on. Thank you for watching another of MyLogic's tutorial. To view more, please select one of the following videos.